Okay, very nice. So I guess it's working. And yeah, in general, I just think it would be funnier, more interesting for us to actually code together. Never done streaming before, so I am not really the type of person who knows what to say in advance. I may say a lot of stuff that just ignore, but anyways, um, how this gonna work is I'll try to come here a couple of times a week. Cannot promise how many, depends on how available I am, how busy I am. But the idea is that I want to build applications together with you, and I want to take this opportunity to learn as much as possible and also to share as much as possible. Um, if you're up for the challenge and for the ride, then I will post the calendar on Twitter and also here on YouTube, I think. So keep an eye on both of these. I think I put the link to Twitter or the handle in the description of the video. And let's see. Let's see how this goes. I really have no plans for this at the moment. I just want something interactive so that, yeah, I'm not just recording in front of a screen and then editing and then just uploading stuff. I'm more the interactive type. Also, feel free to ask any questions in the chat. I keep the chat open here next to me so I can see what you ask and I can try to answer. So this is a great opportunity for us to really have live interactions, and you can ask questions about what I'm implementing, why I'm doing stuff. You can also give suggestions. You can tell me how to do stuff because I don't know everything, right? But I'm just happy to have you on board. And what are we going to do actually is, let me switch here and I hope you can see my desktop. Exactly. I think that's right. Let me see if I can write stuff. I don't know if that's gonna work. Give me just 1 second. And there you go. That should actually work. Cool. So the first thing, I mean, I'm already giving a lot into what we will do in the first time or the first application we will develop. And it's actually something I wanted to do for myself for quite a while. And the idea is super simple, right? It's basically a to-do list, basic to-do list, where you can schedule the tasks and you can just follow up on them. You can mark them as completed. They can have subtasks. And for me, this is just valuable because if I schedule stuff on a calendar, I cannot really mark them as completed or not. Maybe there is an app that does that, but I haven't found one that I adapted to. So why not develop one? And I thought this would be a nice exercise because it starts simple, but it can also grow very complex. And the idea is really that I think we'll discuss a lot of the concepts here, right? So this is a tool that I can just, just help me explain stuff, helps me explain. And to draw some diagrams or maybe some mock-ups, some representations, or whatever is going to come across our way. Now, I think another interesting cool stuff that we can do together is to use this opportunity to really explore a lot of the best practices that I try to study in software development. So that would be maybe Agile and XP for those who consider that a best practice, but I think that's kind of the norm in the industry. So that would be one thing I would like to explore and to see how we can develop a project together. That being said, I really don't have anything else for today. I just wanted to make the announcement, and I'm going to put the video and on YouTube. Hope you also come across it. And I hope you join me the next time. And if you have any comments, any suggestions, any tips, any complaints or anything, just make sure to write them in the comments, and I'm happy to see you there. Then see you in the next streaming. Bye bye. And now I turn this off.